After work today, I decided to install the replaceable inner joints on my two axle shafts. Firstly, I installed the boots and the old inner cans from the original joints. They're not included with the replacement joint that I got, so I installed those with the new bands. Something else to bear in mind, the end cap that is included with these does not fit my 124, presumably other early 124s as well. This joint fits on many cars, including the 140 and later E-classes as well, so MB even provided an alternate cap in those situations as well. I cleaned all of the anti-corrosion oil off those joints and then applied a coating of sealant on both cap surfaces so that there would be no grease leakage. I had to use the press to push the new joint onto the shaft and then install the circlip. And then I filled the joint with the supplied grease. I pumped up and down that joint on the shaft to work that grease in, a motion no doubt most males are familiar with. It was too ridiculous to show, so I didn't. This is the two completed shafts with the world's worst paint job. I just wanted to get these installed while that sealant was fresh. Something to bear in mind, the bolts and the hardware, other than the nut, are useless in the fag wheel bearing kit. They're too big. And I rushed a bit and destroyed one of my bands, so fortunately I had spares and I redid that crimp. And they're both now installed. Unfortunately I had to use the original bolts and mounting brackets because I didn't have a choice. None of the ones I had were correct for the 124, so I'll touch those up with some black paint at a later date, after I've torqued them up to spec, obviously. And I haven't tightened that nut either.